All right, guys, we got a 2013 Dodge Charger all-wheel drive. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels. Right at 84. Dodge Charger V6. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got high flow converters on it there and there. Flex pipe. Then it wires into a single there. Then 2 1/4. And what we did is install the purple Hornets right there, right in the center. He brought 2, but he didn't want true duals yet. So we did the single for now. See how he likes the sound. He might come back. And then what we'll do is we'll cut it here and true dual it into 2 purple Hornets on each side. And then cut it here also somewhere and put 2 pipes. 1 pipe here and 1 pipe there, like that. So it'd be double. And then we did a rear resonator delete there and right there, you guys. Kept his factory tips out the back. Kept his factory tips there. There's the purple Hornet, that's what it looks like. And then there's the resonators that were on it and the mid muffler that was on it. So we took all that off. Guys, we got a 2013 Dodge Charger V6 all-wheel drive. It comes already true dualed from the factory. Not a lot of them do the all-wheel drive do. So they got the V8 exhaust system on them. Factory converter there, factory converter there. So he was doing a lot of research online. He follows a lot of forums. He wanted us to replace this flex pipe for a bigger one. So it becomes true flow. So we put them 2.5-inch flex pipe there instead of the restriction that was on it. Then what we did, continued the factory after that into an X pipe right there. And then he also brought in his own mufflers. Flow 409, part number 49265, right there. There'll be links in the description if we can find them for you guys, right there. As you guys can see, they're in the middle. They're 18-inch body mufflers. And he says it just gives it a really nice deep tone. He watched a couple of YouTube videos on them, so he ordered them and we put them on for him. And then we did a resonator delete also for him out the back. We can complement the sound exactly the same on these mufflers right there. All right, so it's got resonator deletes, flow 409s in the middle, new flex pipe in the front. Nice and clean, nice and beautiful. There's the 2 resonators that were on it. There's the 2 mids that were on it. We took them all off and replaced them. That's cool. See, if you would have took that out, it would have been more raspy. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. That's nice, purple Hornet for the win. Your sound decibels? What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Mount it on, you go down the road and back. That sounds good. It's clean. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Again? 92.5? It's not bad. Come on back. Still holding on good. I like it. It's sounding good, guys. What do you guys think of that sound? I think it sounds phenomenal. Those purple Hornets sound really nice on that. Dodge Charger all-wheel drive V6 with Flow 409 mufflers and rear delete. For a V6, that sounds mean. I like it. All right, guys, we got our boy. He traveled all the way from Kansas City in this beautiful Challenger. Got black hood on it. It's clean. Look at that lip. So we did Flowmaster 40s in the mid, rear delete, and new tips. Go ahead and start it up, bro. Nothing beats that classic sound. Give it gas. What a beautiful car. Those tips just finish it off nicely. Enjoy your trip back, man. Thank you so much for coming down, bro. We appreciate you being a fan.
I appreciate
Thank you.
So
Yes, sir. It was a blessing, brother. Thank you. Here we go. Let's see what kind of drive off he gives us. I like that hood, that aftermarket hood. It makes it look so good. He's clean. Let me know, guys, in the comments. Do you like that tone, or do you like the Super 10, or like NTR? What's your favorite build on these Challengers? Let me know in the comments. That's a really clean commuter build. So tell me what you guys think. Let me know in the comments.